but now I'm about to call 5 prostitutes and live my goddamn life. Yo, what's up, people? My name's David, and recently I've been deep in thought. Not about life, not about love, about money. But not the boring kind, the internet kind. Crypto, bits, coins, bucks, guala, you get it. Watch the whole library of how to make money junk. And bro, Google, trash. YouTube, landfill. Let me show you the actual deal. So here's the situation. There's this one guy, you might have heard of him, Elon Musk. Yeah, Mr. XAE12 himself. He's doing a Bitcoin giveaway on his Twitter, a whole 0.9 BTC. That's like what, 150,000 USD? On a website called Vanished Block. Yeah, Vanished Block. Even sounds like a scam in a dark web nightclub at the same time. So what are we gonna do with this juicy info? Ignore it? Nah. Panic? Maybe. But first, we test it. We investigate. We click. We dive in like it's 2012 YouTube. And if it's fake, we roast it. If it's real, we scream. Okay. Verification's taken forever, bro. But we're patient kings. Oh, it's done. Let's go. Now, where's registration? Ah, there it is. Just chilling in the corner like a shy NPC. Registration is super simple. Email, boom, @gmail.com, baby. Password, repeat password. Double it up like we double our bags. Now the CAPTCHA. Oh no, it's one of those. Taking years to load. Skylink, you good? You alive? Okay. There it is. One little square. Drag it over here. Slide in. Boom. Done. Easy. Like butter on a crypto pancake. Now, promo code. Where is it? Not in profile. Not settings. Wait a second. It was right in front of me this whole time. Promo code is block hack. All caps. Hacker voice activated. We hit activate. It says $100,000 credited. $100,000. Like what? Absolutely stunning. Delicious. Devious. Now we cash out. Selecting Bitcoin, obviously. Now I need my Trust Wallet address. Time to bring out the Holy Grail. Come on, bitch, copy yourself already. Faster. Paste it. Max amount. Of course, bitch. What the fuck is that? Minimum Bitcoin deposit. Of course. Yeah, of course. We gotta activate the account. Fine, no problem. Okay. Deposit. Bitcoin. Nah, I got Bitcoin. I don't need that shit. Load, you stupid page. I need my Bitcoin. Ooh, what's this? You can pay with a card? Bitcoin, I don't need that shit. Wait, yes, there it is. Wallet address, baby. Ooh, loading shit. I'm waiting. Copying that shit. Back to my Trust Wallet. Paste. Amount 0.002. Bam! Gone. Sent. Flew out like my will to live. Everything clean. Back to the site. Oh shit! It's already there? How? That fast? Okay, let me check verification. Yep, there. History. Also there. Everything's fucking glowing, bro. Now, time to withdraw these disgusting, filthy motherfucking dollars into my account. Bitcoin, obviously. Address. Again? Bro, just memorize it already for fuck's sake. Paste. Max amount. Yes. Withdraw. Boom. It says success. That's fucking incredible. Let's see. Let's refresh. Again. And again. $100,000 in 5 fucking minutes. Can you believe that shit? Because I can't. I'm losing my mind. That's 0.9 Bitcoin. Real, tangible, shocking. Elon Musk, I fucking love you. I don't know what this is. I don't know why it worked, but now I'm about to call 5 prostitutes and live my goddamn life. Bye, bitches. I'm fucking out. This video's over. I'm done.